Hi, this is Dan from RealMax Software, and today I wanted to give you a quick look at RapidWeaver Elements Beta 9. So I'm going to go ahead and open a test project, and we want to make this a little bit bigger. Now this build is mainly focusing on the changes in here are mainly focused on the node tree. So I'm going to show you some of the changes in there now. Right, so looks like the previous builds, or very similar to the previous builds, but it has been updated substantially. So I've got this very simple test project here with a couple of columns, and you can see when I click on the elements, these get updated in the node tree, and if I drag them around, the node tree updates as you would expect. Now, one of the cool things here is I can actually drag and drop between the two views. So I can drop this over here and it updates, and I can take this one and drop it up here, and that works. But I can also take a element from out here and drop it into there, and vice versa. So this is super powerful. And I can also have do multiple selections. So I can take these two, drop them there, and you'll see they get moved up. And again, drop them into the other view. Now, one of the super powerful things here is this search box down here. So if I just start typing, you'll see that the view updates. So it just starts filtering automatically live like that. So whatever I type, it just starts to filter it down. Now let's rename one of these things here. So this is the RW icon. So you can see there, it's updated that, and let's do future header, and this one is the power header. So if I start typing header, you can see it filters down to just my headers, but it also works on my custom names. So this is super handy in really big complex pages when you want to find a heading. So they're filtered down there. And of course, even in the filtering mode, I can drag and drop things around. So if I drop that up there, it's moved. And obviously when I clear the search, it stays there. So this is super useful, really good. There's some right click options here. We've got rename and remove. We're still working on this. So there are some missing features, and you might hit a few bugs if you play around with this, but the majority of it's there, and it's a really solid foundation. And of course, this also works with, let me get this project up first. It also works with pages. So exactly the same. So, if you've got a really big site, really easy to filter down and get to those pages. Which is, if you've got a complex site, that is going to be so useful, so quick as well, just to filter down like that. Oops, filter down, and yeah. And that just works, Let's go here, and yeah, look at this. This is a massive view here, and again, I can just start typing and get straight to the element I need. So, all right, that's it for today's update. Just a little overview of the node tree. Lots more updates coming, and I hope you like it. And I will see you in beta 10.